I just wanted to make a video just showing you about if you have like a business where you have to send packages to people and you just want to make it special for them. And I mean, just to make people want to come back and buy from you, I just want to share this. Now, this is from someone that it's a Mary Kay representative that I buy from, JC. And I always look forward to her packages. When I order things from her, I want to order something from her because I love the way that she sends these beautiful packages. And so I just want to share another video showing you what she did. All right, so I ordered some things from her. And then when I received the box, I opened it up and look at what she did. She has this cute little clear but colorful packaging. And then she put this cute little flower on it. I just love it. I love just having this. And I love the way she packages it. It makes me feel like I have really shopped somewhere, like I've been out shopping somewhere. And I want to share this with you because if you have a business like this, any kind of business where you have to send packages to people, think about just going just a little extra mile and making it like really beautiful for them. And this was just in a regular box. The box was just simple. And then she always gives something, like she gives me something to try, like something extra that I didn't order so that I can try it out. And that's always thing, if you're able to do something like that, if you're able to give the people another sample of something so that they can try it and maybe they'll continue to order that after they try it and they like it. But the main thing I wanted you to do is just see how beautiful this packaging is. It's so cute. And it was just in the box. All the things that I had ordered were in the box and they were wrapped like this. And it just made me feel special. I felt like I had been somewhere shopping. I even felt better because even when I go shopping on my own, out to the stores, it's not wrapped like that. It's not beautiful. But it makes me want to keep ordering from her. So I just wanted to share that with you. And then she also makes sure that she gives me a thank you card. And this is probably like a little simple, I'm sure it was like in a package, little simple thank you card. And this one just says simply grateful. And then she personally writes a note inside to tell me thank you for ordering. That's so easy. You could always just easily just write on a piece of paper, thank you for buying this, thank you for your purchase, and put it in the package with your order if you send things to people. And then she also put this in there, and this is like today's prayer. So, it's just like a little prayer that I can read. And all of that in the package that she sent me that I ordered from her. So I'm just trying to share this with you because this makes me want to order from her all the time. And if it makes me feel that way, it'll make other people feel the same way. So I'm just trying to give you some business ideas to make your business grow. Make the amount of money that you are earning increase because you're doing something a little bit extra. I'm sure it just doesn't take a lot to do something extra. Even the one little thank you note, I think that is just so good. So I just wanted to share that with you because I just want you to know how that makes me feel. So for others, it could do the same thing. And then people will want to buy from you over and over again. So I just wanted to share. Have a great day. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in the next video. I'm Wanda.